Dirty stinking twins of twins, boy, I wanna live nowhere. Yeah, your brother have a blood clot living in one house. Come suck out my butthole. But career, you have none? You not have no blood clot career, you have ton blogger. Come suck out the butthole.
You serious? Alright, blessed dear viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. You don't know, big voice there in the building. Anyway, what I'm going to talk about now, it's not going to be long. It's a video with MACA Diamond and 2 LOXX from My 2 Cents podcast. 2 LOXX, actually, I met the artists them know say, basically, them a lower them standard when they go up on TikTok and I do a whole heap of foolishness on TikTok. And me I go play the video with 2 LOXX a state. It's not only MACA Diamond in talk about Spice, in talk about Gage, in talk about a couple other artists. But the reason why me I talk about MACA Diamond is the way MACA Diamond respond to 2 LOXX. Because she a try style 2 LOXX and tell 2 LOXX about the mother and a whole heap of foolishness. Not knowing say I know 2 LOXX your style yourself, MACA Diamond. As a big respectful big artists like Lady Saw and Lady G, MACA Diamond is in that category. So when you a try style 2 LOXX, I tell him about the mother and a whole heap of thing, you not style 2 LOXX, you style yourself and you lower your standard even more. You get to me, I say, and it just show how with society and how females are tear down themselves and the little girl them not have nobody to look up to. It's sad yo. And me I go play the video with 2 LOXX and then play the MACA Diamond and make you tell me wanna think if 2 LOXX wrong or right or if MACA Diamond wrong or right. So watch and tell me wanna think. Alright.
Then, where is MACA Diamond now after she carry her career go dash her over TikTok? I sing song with Derek and some with a batty boy and something, thinking say all you have to do I get people talking. Are they still talking? How no for dash way? Forever for 1 or 2 days. Because real music lasts forever when you do it good. And MACA do some bumbleclad song boy. Take man, pan him and run him and the whole of them song them money out. And them they gonna live forever. But when you go over TikTok and come off desperate, you mash up all of that. So all of the blood clot seed when you plant from before, you dig them up and dash them when you go over TikTok. You go do song with Derek and come out come defend Batty Boy and never know say it all earthy because guess what? When I started to see the world as liberal, people get wise now, it's 2025. How you feel now, MACA? The people them done with you and still continue with Derek. And that are the worst bumbleclad part. And like you go over there, you don't want the tops and roses, you don't want them top up the bumbleclad screen. You go over there like the same regular beggars. What you think them gonna do? Group you up and size up with you because you and them are the same thing.
Dirty stinking twins of twins, boy, I wanna live nowhere. Yeah, your brother have a blood clot living in one house. Come suck out my butthole. But career, you have none? You not have no blood clot career, you have a ton blogger. Come suck out the butthole. You gonna win more than me? Hey, dirty boy. Me don't need none of you know. You come tell me about my career, because I don't fuck nobody. If you have no career. Hey, dirty stinking twins of twins, boy. Come suck out the butthole. I want to know. Hey, dirty boy. Where me there? See me here. See me a drunk, come near me out.
Kiss me, rascal. Me I tell you wickedness can't done.
You stink like. You feel a dog shit. You have no career? You have no blood clot career, dirty boy. Twins of twins, boy. You don't have no career. You don't have a song like what me have in the music. You bright no blood clot. But me do song with Batman. You fuck Batman. Do allow a batty blood clot, man. That's all now worry about me and do song with Batman. You have blood clot DL. I what do you know? You stink like. Look what Batman no got to show for. Look what Batman go no money. Look what Batman no gonna do plate. I what do you dirty boy? Look what Batman the music. Hey boy. Don't fuck your blood clot self with me now. Go suck your mother.
You see, let me tell you something, see. It's when you're young and fool, you grow you out, you know. It's when you're old and fool, and done your dirty ass, done your...
Oh, blood clot career. My business about career. My business about all the dirty stinking people who want about me. Don't want about me. Because I'm not a career, I'm a pussy. When me can't give man for fuck out and get money.
Emotional, damn it.
Hey boy, I go suck your mother again and suck her 20 million times.
Are you listening? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Boy! No moving the blood now look hype. Everything gonna come texted for me and my blood clot career. Me busy about career. Hey dirty boy, when you singing that music, what kind of hit song you have? Tell the people what kind of hit song you have. You don't have no career. Go suck your mother, look my batty man on the work for. On the work for much company in music and you can't boss. And enough I company them in music have batty man night. Well on come suck me out.
You serious? Alright, so welcome back. You watch what I go on and you see what I go on. What do you think? Because me understand say what 2 lakhs can rub her the wrong way. Me now go on like say she shouldn't feel a little way about it. But at any idea this is not the way how to address certain a person like 2 lakhs publicly. You are lower your standard, Macka Diamond. When you see some little girl that look up to you now, me what did respect you, it's like me not even respect you no more. Even though you say you don't care about nobody, you don't care about what nobody think about you. A liar I tell. You get to me and say because you can't tell me say you build your character and image over 15, 20, 25 years as a star in the music and you just come tear down your character and you don't care about it. A liar I tell. And where 2 lakhs are talk about not only you but Spice and Gage and some other artists, it's true.
Look on that Spice, yes, sir.
Why? So now no makeup brush in there?
You let me have makeup brush.
I have a makeup brush.
Let me go for a makeup brush.
Wait, I'll she put on again, guys. KY jelly.
She put gel on it, what you say? See more, she brush her.
You see.
That is Spice, you know. One of Dancehall biggest artists. Now, who tell me Spice didn't need that? Gone over Jaden can talk about brush and all type of fuckery. Sometimes I'm not too enough. And I be a fuckery back, Spice. Be a fuckery back. Even though the style move out of them about culture and all type of foolishness. Sometimes I have to wonder if you no memory. You no memory. Look on all them fuckery. When you're not batty boy and sodomite. I may have a friend in my like you know. But some things are just true. And just because people say them, I mean say they hate it. It's not true. Look on it. We have what I do with Batty Boy Jaden. Them I run brush joke and I try to help him get back in the street. Jaden not gone away. Jaden safe. Jaden the on fame acre. You never know. Are you in a trouble when you mix your big real celebrity status with them like a Batty Boy? Yes, them over them are this culture. You don't remember your culture, my friend. Trust me. The last time you know culture, I the one that used to parrot ghosts. Come on, Spice, man. Understanding yourself now, know say I've often have fuck up on the thing when you go over yourself. Because that shit you try to look TikTok fame.
The truth hurt, but a true, somebody have to talk it. You don't need to leave TikTok alone, TikTok have a eyeglass. I now say some people now make money off it or whatever, but when I see TikTok are go on and people are dead pan live and the whole of them mad this day, yo, a joke thing. Macka Diamond, you're bigger than that. You're more stellar than that. You get to me and say so. When I see them things done, me I look at me and shake my head because me I say, Jano, and who my daughter go look up to? Because you know, kids look up to celebrities and things like that. So when you carry yourself like that, nobody can respect you. No kids can respect you. Your friends them are going to say, wait, this is very distasteful. This is very obnoxious. You get to me and say so. I just my thought that we just feel like say Macka Diamond should have handled this better, carry yourself with more integrity and more politeness. You can't handle yourself so distasteful, yo. And you try disrespect 2 lakhs, but you disrespect yourself. And 2 lakhs, big up for that. Somebody have to talk. The big artists them are lower them standard over TikTok, yo. And I promote certain nastiness in our culture. I promote all kind of slackness for our culture and know say and that we represent as Jamaican. You get to me and say so it's just not right. You sound so dunks, even though dunks are the new bright. But you sound dunks and you sound illiterate, yo. And I can't believe say you really sound off that way. It is very obnoxious, yo. And beneath you. You know, but Let me know what you think of that me think. So big up on yourself. Big Voice Radio in the building. Big up.
Hungry, 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 hungry days again.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.